Hey, I'm Keri Glassman, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and I was voted most stressed out of my senior high school class. So it's really kind of embarrassing. Why am I sharing that? Well, I'm sharing that because I've had to always learn how to manage my stress. I've just innately been a stressed out kind of a person. So a couple things I do to manage stress. One, when I'm really stressed in a specific moment and I need to just take it down a notch, I take a shower. Sounds really random, but it's just this good, easy thing that just feels cleansing and resetting and regrouping, and I love doing it. Another thing that might sound silly that I do is I clean a drawer. Cleaning a drawer, getting a little organized, I just pick any random drawer. It always is calming, and it's just a nice check out from whatever I'm dealing with that feels stressful. Something else I do consistently versus in the moment of when I'm feeling stressed is take a probiotic daily, but not just any probiotic. I take Omnibiotic Stress Release. So Omnibiotic Stress Release is designed to support the gut flora and digestion during stressful times and strengthen the gut-brain axis. The delivery mechanism is also engineered so that the probiotic actually survive and make it to where you want them to go in the gut.